Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty. Once again, US has started bombing Iran and the Strait of Hormuz is closed. Oil prices are slowly ebbing towards the 80 mark, and that is the scandal that you see here. Everything got sold off from silver to gold to Nifty, as you can see here. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these were the levels that we had drawn yesterday. Our analysis was if Nifty decides to come down, there is a level here, and this zone that you see here in green is a fair value gap, and it's a buyer zone. Should take support, but apparently huge red candle. Let's get rid of all that analysis from yesterday. Start afresh. There was, interestingly, on a monthly time frame, there was some analysis that we had done yesterday. One of it is that there is no bias on the monthly time frame. There are no lower highs and higher lows formed, lower highs and higher lows exactly that formed. But the analysis was that these two levels, the support and resistance levels, are being respected. Especially this resistance level 1, 2, 3, and the fourth candle, while we were discussing yesterday, was quite up here, and we were skeptical of it because of the sellers in this area. This is the 24337 sellers that are selling off Nifty for the last 1, 2, 3, 4th month. Let's see where it goes. Now the buyers are right here on a monthly time frame. They are right in here, 22,182. They until the monthly close, they are here until if after that we can see if this swing low holds. And going over to the weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame, it is still bullish. Why is it bullish? Because you see, this is a swing low, and this low is still protected, and that's why there's a higher low, and that's why it is bullish. There is a fair value gap right in here, and that's the buyer's liquidity zone, buy side liquidity. So when it comes into here, there should be some buying being seen. On a daily time frame, Nifty has become not sure. Why is it not sure? Because this swing high, this swing low was higher than the swing low, but this ideally this should have been protected. That is gone. Now, what do we have on a daily time frame? On a daily time frame, there's a huge fair value gap right here. So it's an overlapping fair value gap zone right here. It's a big buy side liquidity, and there are two levels to look out for if Nifty decides to come all the way down. There are two swing highs within fair value gap, so that's like 23,500 and 23,425. So approximations, but 400 500 levels are like good supports. Otherwise, here we have this whole range of buy side liquidity that should hold Nifty up from reasonable movements. If there's a black swan, like a huge wall like situation, maybe it could go down. That's the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is still not sure, because this was a swing low that had to be protected. Swing low, higher low, that was bullish. It broke this low, and that's why it's now not sure. On an hourly time frame, it is bearish. It was bearish yesterday. It was a sign of reversal. You see, everything was bullish, just the hourly was bearish. Now you see it's gone bearish now. This is a swing high, and this is a lower swing high here. A clear-cut sign of bearish bias. So Nifty is taking support at this fair value gap right now. You can see here, this fair value gap is where Nifty has taken support. Let's see where it opens and where it goes. Anywhere, any opening in this area may be a good chance for a spike, because this is just a buy side liquidity, as I said. But it will sustain or not is another question. Let's see what happens. It all depends on Trump and his tweets. I am not a certified analyst. I do this just for educational purpose. Thank you.